Greetings one, greetings all. I'm preparing, like Scott of the Antarctic, to go up a mountain. I'll tell you which mountain a little later, but first of all I've got to get dressed. Myself and Ian are on the Penycloddiau walk. It's round the Penycloddiau mountain, I think it is. Is that the name of the mountain? It is. Okay, it is therefore 8 kilometres long. I'll just stop here because there's a bit of a wind issue. 8 kilometres long. We're hoping for a whiteout. What we have there is a stream, frozen stream. We're in a blizzard. We're actually in blizzard conditions at the minute, as you can see, and we've come to a ford. You okay? We've just walked through snow drift up to our knees. It's either that or turn back. This path here behind me, we've gone along the side of the hedge, or the fence I should say, up to my knees. Behind me now is Moyler Park. Behind me now is Denby. here we're lost. We're lost at the top for some bizarre reason. There's two paths, neither one's marked, so Lance is just checking it out. Absolutely nothing apart from white. Absolute blizzard up here. Whoa! We're no longer lost. We found the path. It took us about an hour. Estimated time home was 3 o'clock. Probably about 2 now, so another couple of hours. It's been in dark. We've been in a total whiteout. Managed to find Offa's Dyke. We haven't yet discovered who Offa's Dyke was. But I'm sure if we googled it, we'd find out who she was. Meridian Way, Offa's Dyke. We've been on both, and possibly come to the end of the journey. We found the car. We're back in the car park. It's been a wonderful adventure. I hope you've enjoyed it.